Today's recipe, Rava Kesari, moist melt in the mouth Indian semolina dessert that is prepared as a festival special for occasion like Navaratri, Holi or any other puja. Not too complicated, just a few ingredients like semolina, clarified butter, sugar and cardamom mingled together to bring out something magical and exotic. Hello and welcome back to Cooking Story, and this is Smita. So let's make the easiest sweet dish, Rava Kesari. Now let's check the ingredient to make this. And the ingredients are green cardamom powder, cashew nut, pista, clarified butter, semolina or Sooji, saffron or kesar, and with that sugar. Now let's begin the recipe. Though before starting the recipe, we need to soak the kesar in 2 tablespoons of water so that it leaves its essence as well as the color after some time. Now let's begin the cooking. For that, take clarified butter. Add this into a heated heavy bottom vessel. 2 to 3 tablespoons of melted clarified butter, and once the butter heat up, then add 1 tablespoon of cashew nuts and 1 tablespoon of pista. Cut it into small pieces and toast them till golden brown. Remove them after 1 to 2 minutes and keep aside. After that, in that same ghee, add 1 cup of Sooji or semolina and fry till light pink approx for 4 to 5 minutes. Though you have to constantly stir it or else it will burn in a medium-high flame. After that, once it looks like that, then we need to add 2 cups of water in an interval. First, add 1 cup of water. Cook on a slow flame, stirring constantly. It will come together like a thick pudding. Then again add another cup of water. It will take around 4 to 5 minutes to cook on a slow flame. Do you know that the key to a delicious kesari is to slow roast semolina in ghee akka clarified butter till light pink without burning it? And when infused with a warming aromatic spice like cardamom, the flavor of Rava Kesari is elevated by leaps and bounds, delightful when adorned with roasted cashew and pista. Now add 1 cup of sugar into this Sooji or semolina. Again mix well in a slow flame, and then you will see after 2 to 3 minutes it turns into a watery form. Stage, add the saffron water and mix well, and you will see it changes to a nice yellow color, but you can also add food color if you want. Next, quickly mix well and then add 1 tablespoon of clarified butter. If you add butter at the end time of cooking, it will give you a nice silky texture. With that, you also need to add the roasted nuts, and now mix well for 2 to 3 minutes. At last, before switching off the flame, add half teaspoon of green cardamom powder. While adding this powder at last, it enhances the taste to is top notch. Now quickly mix everything well and then switch off the flame and serve hot in a serving bowl. Then garnish with some more nuts and few sticks of saffron and serve warm or cold. If you tried this easy Sooji Halwa recipe or any other recipe from Cooking Story, then don't forget to comment in my comment section below. And those who are new in my channel, please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so whenever I upload new recipes, you get the notification first. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, enjoy cooking. See you again with another interesting recipe like that. Bye-bye.